Hello. Okay. A very good morning to all my dear students as we are learning LAQs. In the past, my videos, my classes, LAQs of circles, we have completed with different concepts. And then LAQ of parabolas, we have completed. Today, yesterday, or you can say day before yesterday, we have completed integration, some of the most important problem. Okay, as two LAQs are from integration, we have to spend it much more time. Okay, already I have informed you the most important problems that we have done in the class and I gave as homework. Today, we are going to learn some reduction formula. Okay, in your integration, we have total 6 reduction formula, sine, cos, secant, cosecant, cot, tan. Sine and cos, almost same concept. Secant and cosecant, almost same concept. Cot and tan, almost same concept. So I'm expecting one of the reduction formula will come, and most expecting sine and tan. And the third position expectation is of cosecant. Okay. So today we are going to learn about starting from the sine. Let's see how to reduce the reduction, how to find the general form of the reduction formula of sine nx. Okay. So now just I'm writing the problem on the board. Concentrate it. Very, very important for 7 marks. Very important, dear students, concentrate. Obtain reduction formula for integration of sine nx dx for an integer and greater than or equal to 2 and deduce the value of and deduce the value of integral, integral sine 4x into dx. Okay. See here, this is our problem that we have to solve. Obtain reduction formula for integral sine power nx dx for an integer and greater than or equal to 2 and deduce the value of sine power 4x dx. Okay, see here, this condition is given to us. The minimum value for n we can take, that is 2, and greater than 2 you can take any value. Okay, how to find the reduction formula for sine nx? How to find? Okay, look at here. The first thing, solution, very important, 7 marks, given that what is given to us, let it is as in. is equal to integration of sine n x dx. The given integral value I have taken as in, my first step. Okay. See here how I am going to change this. Okay. Look at here. Integral sine n minus 1x into sin x dx. See here, sine power nx dx as it is, I have kept in the first step. In the next step, what I have done here, integration sine n minus 1x into sin x dx. If bases are same, power should be added, you will get the same result. Okay, so just one change I have done in my first step of solution, that is sine power nx dx. I have written sine power n minus 1x into sin x dx. Okay. Now, see here, this particular form, okay, I am comparing or using the formula for this particular form. Okay, what is that? Integral of u dv is equal to uv minus integral v du. Okay, I am using this particular condition by comparing this particular formula. Okay, I will tell you what is u and what is v here, and what is du and what is dv, and I will show you how you have to find these conditions. Okay, so now we'll better to continue from here. Okay, see here, u dv. So this the first is, okay, u integration as it is. On the place of u, sine power n minus 1x. On the place of dv, I have sin x dx. Okay, so just what I have to do, let u is equal to sine power n minus 1x. Okay, you can take dx afterwards also. So now I have got u is equal to, by comparing, u is equal to sine power n minus 1 into x. In the formula, I have to use du. Okay, I have to use du, and I have to find even v value. So this particular u, we have to write to find du, differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. So it is du is equal to, first, this we have to compare with the formula, that is basic formula, d by dx of x power n is equal to nx power n minus 1. Okay, that is the formula we have to use. So d by dx of sine n minus 1x. Okay, so d by dx of x power n formula first we have to apply, that is n minus 1, yeah, into sine power n minus 1 n minus 1, that is minus 2 into x. Okay, now inner derivative. Okay, what is the inner derivative of sin x? D by x of sin x is d by x of sin x cos x. Okay, so here we have to write inner derivative, that is cos x. Okay, so what to do? Write it once again, n minus 1 sine power n minus 2 x into cos x. This is du for us. Okay, just while using in future solution purpose, it will be better if we make a decoration with the box. So we got the value of du. Okay, next we need to find, if we compare this with our formula, okay, here you with LHS you have to compare. On the place of dV you are having sin x. So dV is equal to sin x. In the formula, I have to use V value, dV as well as V. Okay, so just apply integration on both sides. You will get integral dV is equal to integration of sin x. You can take dx. Okay, integration of dV is V. Integration of sin x is minus cos x. Okay, so this is the values that we have to use in our reduction formula. Okay, in the process of reduction formula. So now coming to the in value, basically we was having in is equal to integration of sine power n minus 1 x into sin x dx. Okay, according to the integration formula, integration of u dv is equal to uv minus integration of v du. So according to that formula, I have to write uv. First, what I have to write in RHS, uv. What is u into v? What is our u value? Yeah, sine power n minus 1 x u. Okay, and then v. What is v? Minus cos x. Just write in a bracket. Brackets are very, very important in solution. Okay, minus cos x. Then minus integration of v du. What is v? Minus cos x. Okay, into du. Du is a big term. Here we are having, that is into n minus 1 sine power n minus 2 sine power n minus 2 x into cos x. Okay, just writing dx. Okay, so this is the substitution of all the respective terms with respect to their positions. Now look at here, sine power n minus 1 x into minus cos x. I can write minus sine n minus 1 x into cos x. Okay, then look at here, minus into minus plus, again in the bracket n minus 1 integration of right sine power n minus 2 x cos x into cos x cos square x into dx. Okay, right. Here I'm using the basic knowledge of trigonometry. That is one of the identity I'm writing here. We know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. If I want cos square theta value in terms of sine, cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. Okay, so here on the place of cos square x, I can use 1 minus sin square x. Okay, so what I am getting here is equal to minus sine power n minus 1 x into cos x plus n minus 1. Okay, integration of, it will be more better, take a big bracket to show that these are in multiplication. So take a big bracket once again here. So sine n minus 2 x, this cos square x I'm writing as 1 minus sin square x into dx, bracket close. Now multiply this what you will get? Let's see what we are getting by multiplying the terms with the bracket inside bracket terms. Minus sine power n minus 1 into x into cos x as it is, plus n minus 1 as it is, and then integration of sine power n minus 2 into x into 1 is sine power n minus 2 into x dx, and then minus integration of, I have multiplied sine power n minus 2 into x with 1, same time I got, and then minus integration of sine power n minus 2x into sin square x dx, sin square x dx. So what are the, close the bracket carefully. Okay, so what we are getting, just look at here, minus sine power n minus 1x into cos x plus n minus 1. So look at here, this particular term. See here, in we have integration of sine power nx dx. If I write here in minus 2 means I should write minus 2 here also. So the term that we have got just here. So this is, I can write, this I can write as n minus 1. This particular term I can write in minus 2. Okay. So now look at here, a particular, if you basis r same power should be added, if you follow that law, you will get just integration of sine power nx dx. Okay, this particular term you will get here. We know that this particular term value is in. Okay, so just I'm writing here directly in. Okay, when you simplify it, you will get sine power nx into dx, that is in only. Now take this n minus 1 term, constant term inside the bracket. So you will get minus sine power n minus 1 x into cos x plus n minus 1 in minus 2 plus into minus minus n minus 1 into in. Okay, this particular value we have got, and we know that in our LHS we are having in from the beginning. Okay, take this complete term, negative term, to the LHS, what you will get. So this you can write in plus n minus 1 in is equal to minus sine power n minus 1 x into cos x plus n minus 1 into in minus 2 as it is. See how the changes are coming in finding the process of reduction formula. Each and every step you check it. How we are reducing the formula. Okay. So now from these two terms, take in common. You will get 1 plus n minus 1. If you take in common and RHS as it is, minus sine power n minus 1 x into cos x plus n minus 1 n minus 2. Okay, so here plus 1 minus 1 get cancel. So what we are having in LHS, in the bracket n is equal to minus sine n minus 1 x into cos x plus n minus 1 into in minus 2. Now, this n, when comes to the RHS, it takes the form as in is equal to minus sine power n minus 1 into x into cos x by n. Multiplication comes here, it becomes division. Here, plus n minus 1 by 2 into, sorry, by n, not 2, by n into in minus 2. This is the reduction formula for integration of sine power nx dx. So finally what we have got, minus sine power n minus 1 into x into cos x divided by n plus n minus 1 by n in minus 2. That is called as the reduction formula. Okay. Here it is asking first to find the reduction formula. Very, very important. You can write therefore also. Therefore, in is equal to this particular reduction formula. Okay. Now, for 7 marks, reduction, okay, we have got, but we need to find the value of integration sine power 4x dx. Okay, how to find that value and what is the condition for odd and even? Okay, here clearly mentioned that n is greater than or equal to 2. Okay, so we will going to find we are reducing to find the formula for integration of sine power 4x dx. I'm going to show you how to find that. Okay, just check it once again, each and every step from the beginning. This till here, the part I'm going to rough. Okay, that I need for the next for the continuation of the problem. You just check it. Shall I rough?
Yes, sir.
Very, very important formula, reduction form. We will going to find this. Just 70% solution is completed. Still 30% we have to find. If facing any kind of difficulty, please ask directly.
Okay.
Explanation. I'm asking about explanation, not about the both. See here, we have got a integration of sine power 4x dx. Just remember, uh, ins minus sine power n minus 1 x into cos x by n plus n minus 1 by n into in minus 2. Okay. Two conditions we have to find here, one for even, one for odd. In the beginning of the problem, I clearly informed that I2 minus 2 is 0, I0. So write directly here, I0 is equal to, means all the even ending form ending with these conditions. Integration of sine 0x into dx. We know that anything power 0 is always equal to 1. So it is integration of 1 into dx, that is x plus c. So this is for I naught, that is even condition we have got. Next, for n, for even or for n, when n is odd, actually for odd, we are finding n. Okay, next, we have in is equal to integration of sine power nx dx. Okay, look at here. If I keep here 3, this much part I am telling. If you keep here 3, I3 minus 2 is I1. Okay, so just write here I1. Okay, for the first 2 times, you have to keep here only. Then we will go through afterwards for the remaining values. I1 is equal to sine integration of n is 1. So it become integration of sine x dx. What is integration of sine x? It is equal to minus cos x plus C2. Just C1 and C2 are arbitrary constant. You can write just C also, not an issue. Okay. So finally for odd and even, this is even and this is odd. We have got, right? So now moving to the integration of sine power. Now we need to find actually the integration of sine power 4x dx value, the continuation of that. This is also continuation of that solution only. Okay. Reduction of sine power nx into dx. Okay. So first, let I4 is equal to integration of sine power 4x dx. Okay. See here, this is the form that we need to reduce this particular integration of sine power 4x dx into this form. So wherever we are having nth position, this is the position of n. So here we have to substitute respective terms with respect to this condition, because this is the general form for reduction formula. So I can write I4, already I have written In is equal to that. So I4 is equal to minus sine power n minus 1. Okay. N minus 1 means 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1 is 3 x into cos x by n. N value is how much? 4. Okay. Plus n minus 1. 4 minus 1 is 3. N value is 4. N minus 1, 4 minus 1, 3. N value is 4 as it is. In minus 2. In minus 2 means 4 minus 2 is 2. So if you keep I4 according to this formula, we have got this form. Again, observe this ending step. This is I2. Again, we have to move back here. Okay, so just write again minus sine cube x cos x divided by 4 plus 3 by 4 I2. Take a bracket. Okay, I2. Just keep here the value. This particular value you have to keep on the place of n. Okay, concentrate here on the RHS of this general form, reduction form, reduced form, minus sine power n minus 1, 2 minus 1. Now the value of n is 2. Okay, if you want, you can write for n is equal to 2. You can write here also, not an issue. Okay. Minus sine 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. That is sin x cos x by 2 plus n minus 1. N minus 1 is 2 minus 1 by 2. That is 1 by 2 into in minus 2. So 2 minus 2 is 0. I naught. Okay. Just I am taking this 3 by 4 inside this bracket. Then we will solve this also. Okay. So what we are getting? Minus sine power cube x into sine cube x into cos x by 4 plus into minus 3 sin x cos x by 4 to the 8. Okay. Minus 3 sin x cos x 4 to the 8 plus into plus again plus. So 3 1 the 3 4 to the 8 I naught. Already we know that what is the value of I naught. Okay. So just substitute that value in this particular form. So what we are getting? Minus sine cube x into cos x by 4 minus 3 sin x cos x by 8 plus 3 by 8. I naught is what? X plus C1. Just I'm writing 3 by 8 X plus C or C1. It does not matter if you take 8, if you write 8C1 or just C1, not any problem. So therefore, I4, that is integration of sine power 4x into dx, we have got this form. So observe each and every step how we have reduced integration of sine power 4x into dx according to the reduction formula. So if you want, what is the gist of this problem is, first thing, we have in the problem, it is clearly mentioned that find the reduction formula for integration of sine power 4x dx. So the first step, you have to take in is equal to integration of sine power nx into dx. So next step, what we have done here, just we have written integration of sine power nx dx with slight changes. What are that changes? Just we have written that integration of sine power n minus 1 x into sine x into dx. And then we have followed the formula integration of u dv is equal to uv minus integration of v du. With respect to the respective terms, we have find the dv's. From dv we got v, from u we have got du. All the substitutions with respect to the formula we have substituted, and finally we have got in is equal to minus sine power n minus 1 into cos x by n plus n minus 1 by n into in minus 2. This particular condition we have got for as a reduction formula for sine power nx dx. Then next thing what we have done, two operations we have performed there. For even, okay, just take 2 and I have told you where to substitute. And then for odd, take 3 and I have informed you where you have to substitute the values. Okay. And then we have got the value of I4. Okay. So this is the process and very, very important. I'm expecting sine tan. Which sign? Integration of sine power 4x will come for 7 marks. And for tan, reduction of tan, damn sure tan power 6x going to be asked. Okay. So this can you please check whatever the process you want to ask, you can ask. Okay. Now we are going to learn another reduction form. It's very easy. Compared to this lengthy solution, that form will be more easy. So just reverse the videos and check each and every step. So the next problem for us to do, uh, and please integration of cos power nx dx, take it as homework, same process. You do it by yourself. Another most important problem, please check it. Obtain reduction formula integration of tan power nx dx for integer n greater than or equal to 2 and evaluate integration of tan power 6x into dx. Very, very, very important. Let's see how we have to solve this problem. See here, what is the first thing asking to us? Obtain reduction formula for integration of tan power nx dx. This is the first thing. And evaluate the value or evaluate this integration of tan power 6x dx. Two things asking us to do. For 7 marks, we have to do. The first thing, what to do? Let's see how to do. Okay, here given that in is equal to integration of tan nx dx. Okay, so the first step, what I am doing to it, check, see here clearly, integration of tan power n minus 2x into tan square x dx. Just basis or same power should be added. Again, you will get tan power nx into dx. Just this particular form I have changed to this form. Okay, that is the first step. I have moved towards the solution. Now, basic trigonometry again we have to use, and we know that one of the identity secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. If you send this minus sign to that sign, okay, we want tan. So just secant square theta minus 1 is equal to tan square theta. Okay, just I have moved this tan to there and bring that 1 to in LHS. So on the place of tan square x dx, I can write secant square x minus 1. Okay, so this I can write integration of tan n minus 2x in the bracket. Okay, in the bracket, I have to write on the place of tan square x as secant square x minus 1 into dx. Okay, so now just separating the terms, 10 power n minus 2x into secant square x, right, as it is, integration of 10 power n minus 2x into secant square x into dx minus integration of 10 power n minus 2x into dx as it is. Okay, now look at this particular term. What is this and how it changes? So here I am explaining you that how the changes are coming. For that, we are having one formula. Just I am writing that condition: 10 power n minus 2x into secant square x into dx. Okay, we are having integration of f power n of x, very immediate. We are having its first derivative. Okay, if you observe f of x, f of n power x is 10 power n minus 2x. Its derivative is here only. Okay, if you got this form, so just write the form. You can convert this form as f of n plus 1 x by n plus 1. So according to this formula, I'm going to change this particular condition. Okay, and I will convert this condition to this form. Okay, so look at here. If I change, what we are getting, the first thing, 10 power n minus 2x into secant square x dx, it satisfies that condition. Very immediate, you are having its first derivative. Okay, so according to the formula, I can write f of n plus 1. This 10x is my f of x. So 10 power n minus 2 plus 1 divided by n plus 1, that is n minus 2 plus 1, n minus 2 plus 1. So this particular term we have converted according to that formula. Okay, it's satisfied that condition. That's why we have followed that formula. Now 10 power n minus 2 plus 1, here x, do not forget to write, minus, as it is here, for in, this is the condition. What is the condition for n minus 2? So here you have to write in minus 2. That's all. Okay, now simplify it, what you are getting. So 10 power n minus 1 x by n minus 1 minus in minus 2. This is the condition for, this is the reduced form of integration of 10 power nx dx. Okay, now this particular condition we have to check for odd and even, for even. Okay, just for even, for n is even. Okay, basically we are having in is equal to integration of 10 power nx dx. So for the first time you keep n value to here. Okay, I2 minus 2 is I naught. So here I can write I naught is equal to integration of 10 power, on the place of n, now write 0 x into dx. We know that anything power 0 is 1. So integration of 1 into dx is equal to x plus c1. One more arbitrary constant we are using, just that's why I'm just differentiating it, making different. Okay, so for I naught we got x plus c1. So now for odd, what we are having for odd? For odd, or you can write for n in the bracket odd. Just we are having in is equal to integration of tan power nx dx. Okay, so if I put 3 here, so it is 3 minus 2 is 1. Okay, do not worry about this negative sign. Well, just we are substituting here only. Okay, so it becomes I1 integration of tan x into dx. On the place of n, if you keep 1, it is become integration of tan x into dx. And we know that integration of tan x into dx is log mod secant x plus c. That is, I'm taking as c2. So finally, we have got odd and even form for the integration of tan power nx dx. Next, we need to find what is the value of integration of tan power 6x. Okay, this is I1 log mod secant x plus c2. Okay, just check each and every step once again. Uh, this value we have to use this value and that value. This is I naught. Okay, log mod secant x plus 2 is I1. These all values we have to use for the to find the value of tan power 6x into dx. Just check it. I'm referring this. This I have to use. Do not ref. This we can remember. I naught. And even we can remember I1 as log plus C2. Okay. What we are having actually here, In is equal to tan power n minus 1 into x by n minus 1 minus In minus 2. Okay. For odd and even, we have already find. Now we will going to find I6. Okay. We know that we In is equal to integration of tan power nx dx. So I need to find the value of I6. So I can write integration of tan power 6x into dx. So this particular form changes to this form according to its reduction formula. So wherever you are having n, just first you need to keep n is equal to 6. So that I can write tan power n minus 1, that is 6 minus 1 is 5x by 6 minus 1 is 5 minus I6 In minus 2, that is I6 minus 2 is I4. Okay, so I got first condition. Next, now the value of n should be equal to 4. So this I am writing as it is tan power 5x by 5 minus I4. Again, here only tan power 4 minus 1 is 3x. Take a big bracket. Usually students make mistake here. They do not mention brackets. All the terms inside the bracket, again, we need to multiply with the minus sign. So be careful with the brackets as well as with the negative sign. So here 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1 is how much? 3. So tan cube x by n minus 1. That is also 3 minus 4 minus 2 is I2. Okay. So just I'm taking this negative sign inside. So let's see what we are getting. Tan power 5x by 5 minus tan cube x by 3 minus into minus plus I2. Okay. So now this I2, wherever we are having n, we have to use n is equal to 2. Okay. So let's see what we are getting. So this you can write tan power 5x by 5 minus tan cube x by 3 plus I2. So tan power 2 minus 1 is 1x, that is 10x by n minus 1. N minus 1 is 1, 2 minus 1 is 1, no need to write. Minus in minus 2. 2 minus 2 is I naught. Keep it as it is. Next, what is the value of I naught? We got 10 power 5x by 5 minus 10 cube x by 3 plus 10x minus I naught. I naught value we have got as x plus c1. So just this become minus x. If you write minus c1, if you write plus c1, does not matter. Constant is constant. Okay, minus x plus c. Okay. Therefore, integration of tan power 6x into dx is equal to tan power 5x by 5 minus 10 cube x by 3 plus tan x minus x plus c. These are the values for the reduction formula of tan power 6x. Okay, so my dear students, you practice the reduction formula in a very accurate manner, so you will get 7 marks. Okay, so this is the reduction formula and the values for these particular functions. Okay, so now one more